Milad X T600DM-$1,999. The Milad X T600DM is built for thrill seekers and off-road explorers. With dual 750-watt motors, it hits speeds up to 35 miles per hour. The powerful 52-volt 25-amp-hour battery offers a solid range of up to 70 miles, minimizing recharging needs on longer rides. The bike is equipped with a 3.5-inch waterproof LCD display, 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes, and a double-crown hydraulic fork, providing excellent control and comfort. Lankalaisi MG740 plus $2,099. Designed for riders seeking both power and comfort, the Lankalaisi MG740 Plus packs dual 1,000-watt brushless motors with 90 Newton-meters of torque, enabling quick acceleration and hill climbing ability. A Samsung 48-volt 20-amp-hour lithium battery provides a range of 120 to 150 kilometers in pedal assist mode. Unorao Flash, $2,120. The Unorao Flash is a high-performance dual-motor electric bike built for both urban commutes and rugged trails. It features a 52-volt, 1,000-watt mid-drive motor with optional dual 750-watt hub motors, generating up to 220 Newton-meters of torque. With a top speed of 32 kilometers per hour and a massive range of up to 354 kilometers, depending on battery configuration, it's engineered for endurance. Built with a 661 aluminum alloy frame, it supports up to 200 kilograms. Ihora Romeo Pro 2, priced at $3,099, is a powerful dual-motor electric bike built for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. With a top speed of 41 to 44 miles per hour and a pedal-assisted range of 104 to 112 miles, it offers an exhilarating and long-lasting ride. Equipped with a robust 3,120 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, it supports up to 330 pounds, combining performance with safety. The bike features dual 1,500-watt hub motors that deliver strong torque and acceleration.
Bluevol K10, $1,460. The Bluevol K10 is a capable and affordable dual-motor electric bike, ideal for city travel and adventurous escapes. It reaches speeds up to 35 miles per hour and offers a range of up to 160 miles with pedal assist. Powering the ride is a dual removable 52-volt 23-amp-hour battery, giving you flexibility for longer rides and easy recharging.
Bandit X-Trail Pro, $2,550. The Bandit X-Trail Pro is a high-performance dual-motor electric bike built for power, speed, and security. It features a 1,000-watt rear motor and 500-watt front motor, delivering strong acceleration and agility. With pedal assist, it can reach speeds of up to 42 miles per hour and up to 38 miles per hour on throttle alone. Powered by a 960-watt-hour battery, it offers a solid range of over 70 miles per charge and supports fast charging in just 5 hours. Safety is enhanced with hydraulic caliper brakes and motor cutoff switches integrated into the aluminum brake levers. What sets the X-Trail Pro apart is its advanced security features: a 4-digit passcode to lock the pedal assist and a keycard unlocking system, making it a secure choice for urban and off-road thrill seekers alike. What sets the X-Trail Pro apart is its advanced security features: a 4-digit passcode to lock the pedal assist and a keycard unlocking system, making it a secure choice for urban and off-road thrill seekers alike. Onioki A8 Pro Max, priced at $2,999, delivers a thrilling riding experience with its powerful motor setup. 1,200 watts front and 1,500 watts rear hub motors, peaking at 1,900 watts. Built for adventure, it's equipped with a high-capacity 52-volt 60-amp-hour battery, offering an exceptional range of 100 to 110 miles on throttle and up to 200 miles with pedal assist. With 180 to 200 Newton-meters of torque, it easily tackles inclines up to 40 degrees, making it ideal for steep terrain. The bike features a lightweight aluminum cruiser-style frame,